all the best of luck, and just know, once you guys keep on doing what you guys are doing on the field, we as Trustco will be your backup from here henceforward.
Thank you to Trustco for sponsoring us this amazing kit that we're having on showcase tonight. It's really a privilege for us to be associated with a company like Trustco. I think the kit looks amazing, and as you said, we welcome the ladies especially, also with brand new kit this year, the first time ever, so it's history made tonight. We hope you appreciate it, and we hope you like the kit that we provided to you. Thank you very much. It's really deeply appreciated by each and every player, each and every management member, each and every supporter. So thank you very much. I think we can give Trustco a big round of applause.